Project Glasswing is Anthropic's controlled access program for dual-use frontier AI. The premise is simple: give elite cyber defenders a restricted path to Mythos-class reasoning without releasing that capability broadly. The center tension is the dual-use dilemma. Public safety argues for stronger defensive tools. Defensive necessity argues that critical infrastructure teams need models powerful enough to keep pace with global adversaries. The deck splits one foundation into two interfaces. Claude Fable 5 is the public release path with classified safeguards. Claude Mythos 5 is the controlled Project Glasswing interface for vetted defenders. Glasswing is defined by four constraints: a collaborative origin with the United States government, a targeted audience, a powerful deployment environment, and a goal of validating safeguards before wider release. The clean room changes the normal routing path. In public use, safety classifiers can fall back to Opus. Inside Glasswing, authorized users bypass that layer and interact with the raw Mythos 5 reasoning engine. That unlocks agentic defense workflows, vulnerability exploitation for patch verification, discovery of hidden dependencies, reconnaissance across complex architecture, and lateral movement simulation in a contained setting. The oversight model is strict. All Mythos-class traffic is retained in a secure segmented environment for exactly 30 days, with access cryptographically logged, audited, and excluded from training use. Glasswing also serves as a staging ground for Anthropic's most advanced frontier models. Partners are moved from the preview system to Claude Mythos 5, with stronger reasoning at lower operating cost. The clean room then scales beyond the initial government collaboration. The deck frames more than 150 organizations and over 15 global reach sites as the path to an international defender network. The final horizon is a systemic trusted access program: Glasswing Preview, Mythos 5 upgrade, global expansion, and eventually a trusted access standard for distributing frontier AI safely.